Good evening, Bohemian Cowboys, Loveland Pass, Highway 6 West. If you're over 1311 there, you got to take that route. Or if you have hazmat, you got to take that route. And no hazmat on Highway 7, Interstate 70 over here, because of there's one of those deals where they go snow skiing over here by Loveland over here, and see that there's some snow left over there, yeah, but not a lot. And naturally, you know, if you got hazmat on, you got to take 6 around over to Loveland Pass, over the mountain there, instead of going through the tunnel. Steep downgrade, 2.5 miles ahead. Truck brake check, half mile. And you can see that but there is some snow left out here. Not a lot of snow, but there's some. And there's a lot of skiing out here in the wintertime, naturally. And well, the tunnel facilities are closed to the public. And vehicles transporting hazardous materials got to use that road there. There's a truck over there with a tanker. So I don't know if they do let them cross here or not. But got my 4-ways on because we're going slow. Seatbelt saves lives. Turn your headlights on. Here's the Eisenhower tunnel, built in 1973. And I don't know how long the tunnel it is. Let's see here. Speed limit's 50. But here's the start. I mean, we're going west over here. And so here's the start of the tunnel. And they got cameras up here, fumes out. But like I said, and now naturally we're going downhill a little bit here. But let's see. There's the light of it. Watch for motorcycles. Drive alert. Probably about 1.5 miles, 2 miles long. About a mile, 1.5 miles long. There's the light at the edge of the tunnel. Trucks use lower gear. Stay tuned for more happy trails. Be safe. Bye.